Ideal replacement. This engine coolant thermostat housing directly replaces the original housing on specified vehicle years, makes and models. Durable construction. This part is specifically designed to withstand extreme temperature changes and resist cracking and leaking. Cost-effective and reliable, offers original manufacturer quality at lower cost than getting replacement at dealer. Industry-leading design, professionally engineered by the aftermarket leader in replacement thermostat housings. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This replacement engine coolant thermostat housing is engineered to match the fit and durability of the stock thermostat housing on specified vehicles. It is designed to withstand extreme temperature changes to extend service life. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent quality at a good price. I wasn't expecting much at this price but needed a thermostat housing with a port and found this one. I haven't actually run the engine yet, but it installed like any other housing. The base is much thicker than the OEM housing, which is a pleasant surprise and should allow the gasket to seal well. It came with 2 hex socket pipe plugs, which I was not expecting. Guess I don't look at the picture closely, but appreciate. No complaints at all.